Topic: Representing chemical change, balancing of equations. Aim of lesson: the introduction and practice of balancing. Introduction: read the following paragraph thoroughly. Underline any new concepts or words and units. Quickly find out what these words and abbreviations mean. Also search for the Afrikaans translations for these concepts. Scenario: you are standing in a play park full of children of different ages. The park has a public scale where people can measure their body masses. A distance from you, you see two children sitting on the extreme ends of a seesaw. Their masses are 35 kilograms and 60 kilograms respectively. Answer the following questions. 1. What do you think you will observe? 2. Explain your observation, first in your own words and thereafter using as many possible scientific terminologies as you can think of. 3. Describe in short what you would do to perfectly balance the seesaw at its non-adjustable fulcrum. 4. What do the three bold printed words in question 3 mean? Concepts and skills. Balance means that there must be two opposing sides. In chemistry it refers to reactants and products. Thus to balance in chemistry means that the amount of atoms of each element in the reactant must be equal to the amount of atoms of each element in the product side. Read and repeat the sentence a few times. Let us practice a few times to identify the number of atoms correctly. It works a lot like mathematics, but the exponent of value is at the foot of the letter and indicates the number of atoms. For example, B equals 1B1 means 1 by 1 Van B, thus only one atom B. F equals 1 F1 means 1 by 1 Van F, thus only one atom F. 2G2H equals means 2 by 2 Van G, thus 4 atoms G. 2 by 1 Van H, thus 2 atoms H. Try a few. Remember the number in front is multiplied with all the numbers after the elements. 1 S equals 2 K equals 3 Li equals 4 2B equals 5 3 Fe equals 6 2 BF equals 7 3 K2O equals 8 4 Fe2O3 equals. In the chemical equation we must thus balance the atoms on each side of the fulcrum O. Can you write elements names correctly and identify chemical formulas of compounds correctly? General names for some compounds, for example table salt. A chemical equation correctly. Activity/assessment. Activity. Balance the following equations. The first one is completed as an example. Questions and answers. Do research work and find more exercises on balancing from other resources. Memorize the following. The product that forms when 1. A substance reacts with water is a hydroxide. 2. A substance reacts with oxygen is an oxide. 3. A substance reacts with carbon dioxide is a carbonate. 4. A substance reacts with a nitrogen compound is a nitrate or nitride or nitrite. 5. A substance reacts with a sulfur compound is a sulfate or sulfide or sulfite. Values: communication, spelling, research, translation, balance, observation, diligence. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and most important subscribe to the channel.